Hello guys, so today we're going to blood smash this. Okay. You think it's okay? Let's plug it in. Guys, do you think there's a chance that this thing still works? Okay. Let's plug this thing into power. Now, let's plug this into here. Okay, does it work? Oh, it still works. Okay, let's push it up a notch. Guys, you probably know the classic Ludacris drop test. Tres, dos. Oh my God. How? How did this survive? That's not, oh. Okay, let's test it now. Guys, I'm back. I'm scared if this explodes, bro. Alright, plugging it back in. How? How do you still work? Is there any cracks in here? No. Okay. Oh, you hear that in the fan? Like, I don't know what that sound is. It's probably something. All right, let's blood smash it even more. Me just realizing when I was touching it right here, it felt like it was heating up because I felt it. All right, let's do another Ludacris drop test. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's probably cooked. Oh my God. That was not like that before. Oh, prime thing. The main thing, yeah, it was right here. Oh God, Vertex coming. Oh my God. There's no way this thing still works. Let's test. Guys, there's no way this actually works. Okay. Does it? Oh, wait, does it actually? Wait, does it actually? It does. It's missing a blade, so it's shaking all the time. You know what? With this fan, I think we can just. Or actually, I could just put it back in there. Ooh, wait. What is that? That's supposed to. I think that's supposed to hold it in place. Okay, let's board smash it even more. I have to wait until the trash can company moves. Guys, for this fan, I'm just gonna do that, and this can just go there. He'll be remembered. Oh, now I have to be careful with these wires. I might cut them out. Okay, guys, the company finally left. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to yeet it at the wall at this point. Okay. I'm going to have it zoomed in for the zoom up. Oh my God, what do you guys need? Okay. I'm not going to test this for a while because I don't want to keep going back in my house. But the stand finally gave out. All right, let's do that again. Oh my God. I think the handle is finally broken off. Yep. Now I can't eat it anymore. Wait, no, I can still try. Yoing, yoing, doing. Yeah. Okay, this is pretty much. Oh my God. Wait, guys. How bad? Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that tiny motherboard. Oh, the heatsink is covered in dust. Here's the motherboard. It probably still works, but I'm not going to deal with that. Here's the fan. It's pretty much cooked, so it goes maybe in there. Or actually, oh wait, oops. I'm just gonna leave that there. There's a UPS truck coming. I'm going to. Okay. Okay, that's the end of the boards video. Bye bye.